All right, fellas, let's find out today if the most expensive is the best bang for your buck, or either it's going to be the cheapest will be the best bang for your buck. And the reason why we're starting off with the most expensive being the best bang for your buck is normally it is, but typically we always want to spend the least amount of money. So, we saving the best for last. But first up here, we got a 1992 Toyota regular cab, 15 grand. I mean, it was literally listed a week ago in central Okanagan, BC. And this thing's looking phenomenal in this color of a blue paint job. Yo, what? I mean, it's got a nice freaking front bumper up there too. Damn. Damn, nice decent lift kit, canopy. Oh, buds. She's real freaking minty. Why are you getting rid of this thing, man? If even a winch, not too shabby. Dude, don't get rid of this beauty of yours. It's freaking magnificent. It's a 3.0 V6, not too shabby. It is what it is. That's a funny way to take a front picture of your bumper, eh? I mean, I guess you're trying to get the winch more as in to say, I mean, it's only been driven 291,000 kilometers on a sweet automatic transmission. Dude, that's freaking phenomenal. And the interior is freaking gorgeous. Okay, maybe it is worth the 15 grand, but personally, I would not spend 15 grand on this. But I don't know, fellas, would you? 15 grand for this beauty? Automatic transmission? Only 291,000 kilometers. Meet Tintin. Meet Tintin? Really? Interesting. 1992 Toyota pickup with a 7.5-inch lift, new tires, custom bumper, front end, winch. Oh, damn. Canopy, box liner, and upgraded bucket seats. Tear on driver's side. I mean, there's always going to be the tear on the driver's side. Features 4x4 stored in winter. Ooh. Has rust, a crease in the rear driver's side box panel, scratches, and caved in rear bumper. Perfect but better than most. Regularly maintained by a professional mechanic since put in chase. Okay, currently at 291,000 kilometers, includes a new gas tank, brake line, spark plugs, wires, and radiator. Non-working items, speedometer, front dashboard. Okay. Rear lights and passenger door key access, selling due to needing a third truck for my contracting company. Serious inquiries only. Price is negotiable. I simply listed high to weed out the tire kickers, and I just love to stir the pot and listen to people chirp. Oh man, I like this guy. I simply listed high to weed out the tire kickers. Weed out the tire kickers. Interesting way to put it. Just love to stir the pot and listen to people chirp. Technical questions, I can consult my mechanic. That is freaking funny as heck. I like this guy. I'm cooking with him. I think this will be the best bang for your buck. I mean, yeah, 15 grand is a lot of an asking price. Or you could get this 1991 Toyota pickup extra cab going for $7,500. Literally listed 22 hours ago in Stanford CT. Only 180,000 miles on a sweet manual transmission. Okay, doesn't really give much to listing description like the first one. Like the first one was freaking phenomenal. This guy, he's got a lot of tweaking to do, but freaking $7,500. I mean, if it runs and drives, it runs and drives. That's a pretty good bang for your buck, I'd say. But it's pretty beaten up here and there. Hood looks a little warped, eh? Looks like as if something pushed it in ever so lightly, like you hit a pole here and you swapped the hood out. Maybe you fixed the hood. I don't know, but you're back of your property here is kind of like, it is what it is. But freaking I don't know, fellas, $7,500 for this beauty, pretty freaking tempting. I just don't know about you fellas of what you're cooking with, but I freaking dig it. Or you could get this 1991 Toyota pickup one for $5,500, listed a day ago in Hanford, CA. Ooh. Driven only 216,000 miles on a manual transmission. 91 Toyota pickup, clean title, maintenance well maintained, shifting is smooth, no grinds or pop outs. 22 RE engine, runs strong, AC, no power steering. Yikes. I have new parts for replacement, but didn't have time to install. It is in picture. He's firm on the $5,500 single cab. I mean, it looks, is it long bed or is it regular? Maybe just regular. Okay, so he's got all this stuff listed to go with it. Interesting. It kind of looks like a regular bed to me, but I mean, $5,500 for this beauty? Frickin' sign me up. Only 216,000 miles on a manual transmission. I mean, looks pretty freaking clean all the way around. It looks kind of wonky for a single cab, at least to me personally, but I don't know, fellas. The tread looks pretty good on the tires. I mean, is this going to be the best bang for your buck, better than this one even? Or would you rather spend the most, $5,500 for this beauty? I don't know. It's quite tempting. It's quite tempting indeed. I don't really know what you guys are digging, but this one's got a nice freaking blue color on it. Freaking A, buds. We could get this gray. Pretty freaking clean. I mean, it's in Hanford, CA. Listed a day ago. So, quite tempting, you know? You could get this freaking 1993 Toyota pickup truck going for $3,000. Wait, what? Listed 15 hours ago in Vancouver, BC. No way. It's in Vancouver, BC, and only $3,000. Four-wheel drive automatic V6. It's the V6 3.0 EFI engine. For parts or project truck. Wait, what? For parts or project truck for a welder. Engine is solid. Oh, really? Runs and drive well. Old truck and rust shows. 305,000 kilometers. Comes with 5 extra wheels and tires. A whole bunch of freaking extra tires. Freaking A, bud. Sign me up. $3,000. Oh, freaking A. Best bang for your buck, I'd say. I would absolutely love to buy this beauty of a gem. I don't know about you fellas, but freaking A, sign me up. $3,000. Or would you rather spend $15,000? Or $7,500 on this beauty? Or $5,500 on this beauty? I mean, $5,500 on this beauty, single cab, looking pretty freaking immaculate. But I mean, hold up. You get freaking 5 tires with this to come with? Oh, but this. Oh, dude, that's rough to see. It needs a whole freaking frame replacement. Or, to be honest, I didn't see this until now. Until now. Frick. I mean, you could easily fix it out, reinforce it if you really want to, or just find a clean donor body, throw all this crap over, or use it for parts. But $3,000? Oh, buddy, it's absolutely worth a steal. Yeah, it's like that, but I mean, you could either fix it up or go for one last joyride and see how long this beauty would last. I don't know, fellas. What would you do with this Toyota pickup if you had to buy it and you had to do something with it? Would you restore it? Or would you just take it out for one good bag or part it out? I don't know, fellas. Honestly, I think it's worth fixing up. I mean, it's still got lots of life left in it, but personally, I'd absolutely buy it and try to restore it in some shape or form or way. I don't know about you fellas or what you're cooking with. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next.